Wow. All right, welcome back. We still talk about the particular issue we concern relationship. And relationship you actually survive without touchlighting. If you never put your mouth inside, then you're really
but if you survive,
so make sure say you put your mouth inside. Enter Twitter.
No, if not like 2 weeks relationship.
Enter
or 2 months relationship.
Okay, wait. Let me tell them.
Sorry.
Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Go put your mouth inside. All right, time to reach for interview proper. Hey,
Ogayo. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. Added to all your yabis and comedy and everything. Okay, first of all, the one where they interested me very, very well. We just say get one show where they come and they call them you.
Okay.
I don't understand you.
I don't understand.
You. Everything. We just talk about government now today too. Okay. Now about you. We just talk now saying about you. Before government, I mean, that's just the same thing. Most of the things we do for this country are about you as an individual before government. But most of us, they put everything on top government. Come believe in our government will give us everything. So for me, every year they do stage play, and then I try to do satire. Play we go satire, and I just say you go make mockery. You go make mockery of situations, of things of the government in power and all those things. So not just the whole idea. So basically, now waiting I do with that. So and then normally I do 2-man plays. But last year I can decide to add Crown Troop of Africa. That's the troop when I did with before. Troop. Yeah, I did with them before 98 thereabouts. I don't join the troop. So that time I need to add Crown Troop inside, and then the rest now na history. So this year they do with Bakassi.
Just Bakassi.
Bakassi then Crown Troop, but majorly the 2 characters. Majorly Nami and Bakassi.
Wow. So what do we actually expect from this year on? Because we know say last year you scatter stage. This year, what do we expect?
I have my ears. Yes.
Now the reason why they actually ask, because when you see the posters, you see the advert, you see the jingle, you see the hype, they will say special guest.
Okay.
Just question mark. I don't understand. Are we expecting Nicki Minaj?
Hey!
I love
Obama.
We'll be Nicki Minaj. You they do our own. Maybe not Salawa then you come.
Yeah.
On the Salawatins,
you know. Salawatins come down, Shocky.
No, but then that one will be when people come now and then go see what thing go happen then.
Okay.
When you come in a hotel, you go see we just want do something where we say not be like we did one before. You know. Last year I believe I raised the ladder for myself.
Oh, definitely.
So definitely. So the next one when I want, I need to raise a higher pass within I do last year. So I still work on them.
Okay, but me want to ask all through this thing. I know say the journey so far, right from when I did school, now I don't know yo. Even when I come, I had to look for my yowa. I say my yowa meters. But now yo, they always do on there, and I say I want to see a one-on-one. I don't come, I can't still see you. Now today, the journey so far. What you go say be that thing where they push you for back? Say you know what, you must this year on go must better pass. I know say you don't already create the ladder, but that thing where they make you extra.
Before now, I go talk say na my mama. Okay, because they don't believe say person go fit make am. They don't believe say person go fit make am. So I won't prove her. Say I fit make am. That one I want. And then secondly, for now, so that one are before now.
Yeah.
So not be where I did before I did now. And definitely not be here I go still do. So but for when it comes to this show proper, I just always look and say, everybody they always talk say the show's not the same thing. Definitely if I no go with show, if I go her own show. Now the same thing I waiting, I don't see them.
I go see
them. If I no go her own show, I go come. Now the same thing.
Yeah.
So those people who come last year, at the end, I like the comments when I get. Last 2 years, now somebody come and say, and this one way they do only 2 man. You know things say make you add some people extra so that I go make them different. I can't say okay. So I can't add Crown Troop last year. This year, Crown Troop already did. We already get the projector thing and all those ones. But then I just need to now add the total package when I do, make it a little bit different. So we can't get the poetry competition. I say make some people write poems, poetry. They pass the present and the future. They pass the present and the future. Make them hang them on top the fact saying about you. This country spoil now you. If this country good now you. Whoever don't make them positively, you get blog where you dey write. Yeah. If you end up tomorrow now and you blow, you no go talk to the government make you blow. Now you by yourself. And if the work come too much, say you dey work here, you no get chance to do your writing, you no get chance to do this, you go employ people. You go employ people, you go empower people. People go begin write for you. Tomorrow, themselves go stand up tomorrow to want to do their own thing. Government never come in inside all these things now when you talk. So basically, so I can't tell people to make them write poem, make them write something where they say, now from their own point of view, as they take see this country, where they see them before, where they see them now, when they see them where they go. So people don't do plenty things. But anyway, the general ambience of the show now ain't going to determine the difference when I decide to just do. So until people come there that day, see the show, see the Chris where would they do.
Small Chris.
No.
Mashaw
Chris. I will tell you.
Not be tracking, no.
No. Maybe I leave that in. But okay, Bakasi is something else. Actually.
Amaka. You got one church where tell us say you want to do waiting day the newspapers for Ontop stage.
For Ontop stage, okay.
You don't last
No,
year.
I don't do.
No, you know.
The first time when I want to do. The first time when I want to do be this, because plenty people come they ask, say in particular they want to see do, they want to see Twali.
Yes.
They want to see do, they want to see Twali. How then wish say I go fit do some of these newspaper things, because the way we take they do newspaper review, they completely different from within people they used to.
Yes.
You know, they talk about plus the pictures and bring out the humorous side. Some things where the paper no talk. They try to one think inside the person's mind. You know, so that the imbecility of the highest order. You know,
That's not the word. That's not the word.
Because I did inside cab one morning. This cabman carrying me. He just put him. You know why I agreed the amount we talk now? Just because he listened to Wazobia inside a car. Now it made me just agree. This man, they laugh so hard. Because as I just said to me, I just call price from me. I say, okay, let's go. The guy, they laugh. I tried to record her because I say, fine, call. The guy, they laugh.
You actually forget about that newspaper time we talk the morning show. But we get what they do, talk, do they do. Time for game.
Oh,
that's the
That's the basket, please.
No, I go like say you.
No, you
Who like you? Now you go talk.
No,
You say you like palm wine.
so no food now.
We go give you later. Don't worry.
No, don't worry.
We'll bring the food, come a hotel.
As
And you not tell us when this thing they happen.
No, that's
Yes,
Sunday.
we
Sunday
know,
31st.
we know.
Sunday 31st
Oh,
for
we go tell- we go talk-
Sunday
we go tell
31st for Eco Hotel.
All right.
And me and Julius Sago, then plenty comedians, musicians, Davido, Olamide, Cynthia Morgan,
Hey!
Yes.
I bet Vector they come.
German Juice,
Vector they come.
Vector the Viper. Out of now, they ask of him.
Who we the final?
Now we
yes, now Sunday 31st.
Then they talk
Now
something, they say Sunday 31st.
Hey, yes, you must be there.
Bros, this part we they call them talk the talk and do. And waiting they write for this paper. They say you go remove 10 cents from your body or you pay fine.
10.
Pay fine or waiting.
No go tell them.
Of 10,000.
No.
Yes, of 10
Of 10,000. 10,000. You pay fine of 10,000. We are very considerate.
Okay, we're considerate.
Go on a POS. I did do cashless.
No,
Hey!
Cashless.
POS.
But you don't say no good more advertise the brand of the
No,
POS
you don't
they
go
use.
show. You don't go show. Make them bring up.
Wait.
I did do cashless.
So you know if you come out 10 things.
I think no. You don't reach 10 now.
you know which 10. So Oga
Okay, come out
Yoyo,
1, 2, 3.
he has given up.
4, 5,
6,
7,
7, chain,
Your necklace 8.
8, belt 9.
8, 9. On a mic 10.
He not actually reach, but you need to know, say you need to date them May 31st for inside the hotel and suite for Victoria Island there, because plenty people go there. Davido, Olamide, plenty.
Leave them Davido.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Plenty.
Talk ladies go there dear.
Live.
So you go need to there dear.
So don't miss it at all. And also they listen to Wazobia FM, but they give you all the gist then where you need to know about your at OK Bakasi in a stage play May 31st. Thanks a bunch, bro. Say enter our studio.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, so we're going to take our celebrity tottery off today. After them, we'll come back, tell you other things. Not go anywhere.
Jola Sago, now one of the most highly celebrated haute couture fashion designers for Nigeria, where both Obodo Nigeria and Obodo Oyibo people sabi. She studied for University of Lagos and University of Miami. Jola Sago come from Ondo State, and she been started to do her design from 1989. She be fashion ogbonge person wey sabi to do her thing wella to make her followers happy all over the world. She dey use African fabrics, hand-woven materials wey dey make her design unique for modern women. For inside April 2006, she be there appointed to represent Nigeria for one of the new international campaign organized by the United Nations World Food Programme with the goal to raise money to dey make help people wey dey hungry for the world for 2015. With her tight schedule and plenty people to attend to, Jolasa go show her different collections at Cape Town Fashion Week, for South Africa Fashion Week, Arise, New York Fashion Week, and plenty others dem. Jolasa go marry Kofi Sago. Though dem don separate, she get 3 children wey their names na Tenny, Abba, and Tiwa. You go like to know say these 3 children wan follow their mama footsteps, and they don open their own fashion design label wey dem call CLAN, Clan. Well done, Jolasa go will be our celebrity tottery of today.
Wow, wonderful woman.
Person just decide saying a fashion, and like what we just talked just now, say not be about government.
Yeah.
Do better thing, they will support you at that moment, because who get, you know how many will be for Nigeria.
And now her children, she don't give them the spirit to actually embrace fashion, and they do. All right, body kajat.
All right, so my people, you know, say today na Friday, and my ladies, I know say una know they like this one, but una
tell us, maybe.
Because if you not see my before and after, which we go still throw on the picture one of these days, una go know say they're very important. What will they talk about today? Na green tea. Okay. You must not take the green tea because of the taste, but Tiana, I know you. You like it.
No, make I
sweet.
tell you something. I don't take green tea before.
Okay.
You may smile, I almost disappear.
Okay, I don't want now make you disappear now.
Small.
Yes. You get the one where you go take now and it go still dey kajat for you. You must not take all those ones, but we get so many things where they inside green tea where they're very important for our body. That's why today I bring this video for now. Look, we enjoy this one.
Green tea.
All right, on top of body kajat, today will be Friday. Yes, so I know say, you don't dey prepare to go jiggy. But make I tell you something. You sabi say, green tea dey very important for your body. You go ask me why. Never squeeze face. I know say green tea no dey taste well. It dey very green as you dey see so. But I tell you now something will go help you. Green tea dey different. We get the mint green tea. We get the green tea itself. We get hibiscus green tea. And we get many others. But today what we dey talk about? We want to talk about that one with ginger. You fit do one for house. It is very easy. Ginger na something wey actually dey help us to boost so many things for we body. Our eyesight, it go lower our cholesterol, it go promote our health, our gums and our teeth, and also it go drive away oral cancer. You know say cancer na that thing where everybody they fear right now. You go here say ear cancer, eye cancer, leg cancer. Hey, me and you, we no go get cancer. But before you go do that one, you go got to take the normal things where you supposed to take. Green tea is very, very necessary for our body. If you need to take them, try to take them because of all those toxins where we dey inhale during the week. When we dey go work, those of us where they work, all those generators, sound and smoke, all those traffic smoke where they come out for cars, they're not too good for our health. But if you dey take green tea, one thing they set and say at least you go don't drive out of 10 diseases where your body 3 go don't come out for there. At least you still get space where you go take breathe well. Try to take green tea. Do them well as you know say you go sabi do and make everything dey kajat. But for house, if you don't like the taste, you still get the opportunity. Get your ginger, get your pineapple, blend them together, stir them. The water you go drink and you fit take them with ice and you fit take them when it dey warm. This one I waiting I carry can give you on top of body kajat today will be Friday. Before you go smoke, before you go drink for that club, make sure say you sip this one at least 1 to 2 glasses so that everything go dey kajat. This one our body kajat and a Queen Bee, they bring them to you on top of Talk. Wow. So with ginger and apple, pineapple, blend them together, sieve them. Sometimes if you take them with the shaft inside, you know why? If you're mostly when we just finish our period, you know, say your stomach will still be take them and you go to gas and it will help you.
Flat back.
Yeah.
All right, thanks a bunch, Queen for the body kajat where they always give us on Talk. You know, say if you need the best of body kajat, now Talk 9 be the show for you to watch, and Queen Bee now be the person where they always give us. But time don't reach for us to come up for inside the studio. Thanks a bunch to Oga Yo. Don't forget, say May 31st is the day for you to come and see him and Bakassi on top stage. And they do Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao.
Hey!
Yes.
Mayweather dance.
Yeah. All right. My name is
Nadia.
Siriman Ubi and meet you on Monday.
Yes, my name is Siriman Betiana Unweli. Get very casual, blessed weekend because me, rest in peace.
My name is Namaka Okudiafo. Bye-bye.
All right, my own name could be Overload the Travel.
Of course, she does travel.
As we always, they talk.
Talk no be bad thing, but make it the way they talk about. Yeah.